So, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a bit of an unusual video. And yeah, recently under one of my videos, a subscriber asked me a question. Since you have a BMW E30 back in Greece, it doesn't have side indicators on his wings. I have seen a couple of E30s without the side indicators, and I always thought like everyone preferred that look better instead of having them. But apparently some people do like to have side indicators in their fenders or wings. So yeah, and today I'm gonna show you dimensions for a hole that you need to cut out, as well for a small hole where the grommet usually goes in. So yeah, I already took out the screw and this plastic grommet as well. If you notice, there's like a kind of stain mark from the previous position of turn signal. I don't know why people put them all the way around from a left side but on the right side and vice versa. I don't know, it looks kind of off because it kind of ruins the symmetry. I can kind of understand maybe they go with a kind of pointier edge because side trim kind of goes almost, I would say, in a similar angle, but still, I don't know why. Maybe someone can write down in the comments why people do that, and not like it came from a factory like that. So yeah, I will basically put some masking tape, measure everything with that side trim and without the side trim, so you can have like better reference points to measure from if you want to install side markers or side indicators on your BMW E30. And yeah, let's just pop out this bit as well. And yeah, I'm probably gonna measure from this edge. So yeah, I just covered everything with the masking tape and did some measurements. So this is the basically I traced out a small indicator light on the fender, how it should sit, how it sits actually. And then you can see here are two lines. One is with the trim on, this one is the top one. So yeah, if you have a trim on, it would be probably the easiest way to measure these holes from, because it's kind of like more accurate, because the other line is more like an edge of that small bend that goes, it's kind of small recess for a trim to kind of go in, you can see. So yeah, but yeah, from a edge where the door gap is 102 millimeters. Top and bottom is the same, 102 millimeters. And then from a bottom, from this line where the trim sits, is 28 millimeters. If you decide to go with a small bend line, if you don't have a trim, then it's 31 millimeters. Sorry for my handwriting, I know it's kind of ugly tree. But yeah, it's 31 millimeters for the small, not small, but for a bigger hole where basically the foot and the small clip goes in on a fender. And then you can see dimension wise it's 28 millimeters by 47 millimeters, and the small hole, well, where this plastic grommet goes in, it's basically 8 millimeters by 7 millimeters, and it's spaced 61 millimeter away from the bigger hole and 39 millimeter from the top of the trim, or 42 millimeters from this small crease or bend. So yeah, hopefully that will help you if you decide to add side indicator or blinker light to your E30 fender. And yeah, if you have some other questions, just drop me a comment or message and I'll try to answer to your questions via my videos. Okay, cheers guys.